Sta recorder? You record, huh?
Sta recorder? Yes, you're still listening to Paradise 98 FM with the Cyphers inside Long Studio. Time check, you between I mean, actually, 2 minutes past 9, and we got inside the studio with me right now, the company of the man himself, one of the main producers, TVV. Yes, Bigger Man. Good morning, Long you, Bigger Man. How are you this morning?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
You siyempre temi number 1 April Fool Day. Nakatuan man ibin reki you? Nakatuan man ibin reki you today morning?
No cat.
But you been traveling reki one man?
Me been traveling reki one man. Unfortunately, every man
only ready for you.
Only ready for me.
You tried.
I tried, bro.
But you failed. But you know, end of the day yet.
Yeah.
You start from.
It was for lunchtime, so.
Yes, me from say you got all comebacks for you.
Oh, bro.
You're the comeback guy.
This guy.
Anyways, Bigger Man. Me understand you come into the studio too from you to got one vibe.
Yeah, bro.
Where Emmy style of place here. You saw the students small.
Yo, man, this new vibe we come all the way to Fiji, and shout outs to Paradise Rootz, and Paradise Rootz always bring the love with the most song block and back couple of years back. You've been launching one little first for a single block and then now they out with another single bar again and featuring Nasio Domino.
Yeah.
And definitely this one is after easy music block video block out the YouTube and all these things we come say, hey, yo, Paradise 98 FM link up with the Paradise Rootz with another hit music. So we're back here again, and this song itself and me song block and me about long distance relationship.
Long distance relationship.
Yeah. So,
right.
You think about the use of the Vila, island. Yeah. So when me happy, me say and me about two couple with the boyfriend girlfriend, living
far away
from each other after to finding me difficult. A long distance relationship is difficult. The song is about how being together and me self develop relationship and a healthy relationship, being together. So this song is about man also, yeah.
And speaking about the song, the artists. You got one good friendly. I mean, one artist.
One
like you talk about how you like Savi Vila.
Yeah, so Seta was one of the homeboys back here, Cornwall Street.
Okay.
We've been, link up together back in the day. Play for Fate Bulldogs, rugby, and then Costadillo. Studied Edwards Computer Foundation. First for the student. CNS. And first for the graduates, CNS, and then now we still work one of big fella some Unelco Fiji. And
on power company
so we still look out them all time. We switch them all lights, those street lights and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
Last time we go back, we get to meet up with him. So pleasant. So he looks after the computers and stuff like that. People are server blocked, so.
Kickstart them
Vanuatu all the way, from CNS to
CNS.
All the way, and then but every time that boys that got grog session, house floor whippies down the seaside.
Yeah.
Every time we got on grog session, set up with whip out the guitar, and then and with them.
Music and Mr. DNA,
bro. And then you just one shell and one
song.
Small strings, and then
strings. This guy. After?
Yeah, and then
Pero time you stop drinking yet or?
Yeah,
that time. You don't smoke before.
No.
Like before you drink alcohol, but you don't smoke.
Yeah.
No, but I mean, like you're looking healthy right now, but before you're past. This guy.
Yeah, so past.
Okay. So right now, and my song and me look was just been released 4 days ago.
Yeah, bro. So this song was released 4 days ago, and then you missed the launch inside the Paradise 98 FM. Good vibes. You me always our music hitting the airwaves of Fiji, and then their song hitting our airwaves too. Let the music frequent through us. You know what I'm saying?
See, so me got song and me stand by finish and me start place and me Sa Balavu, boso.
Ah,
E mi hanno mo li sape. And it's Paradise Rootz.
You know that.
Boso, what the name of this song, eh? It's Sa Balavu, eh?
Santa, you remember? Huh?
Yes, all the way from Fiji. You know, I've been there only 2 weeks, but I don't know. So, Paradise Rootz featuring Nasio Domino with them Bigwilz.
Yep.
So, you got 2 artists with a feature of this year. And of course, I mean, especially when they watch him, so we can watch him on YouTube as well.
Yeah.
And we start on YouTube, and no worries, by Paradise 90 FM. And me share my link for YouTube.
Actually, the level of video editing really make him do music video blogger is yeah.
Or same thing, you look no,
So you look music video of Fiji before.
With
and
them
then
Naya.
you look Naya, man. It's gone off the easy, you know what I'm saying? So it's tough to watch.
True, yeah. By me listening to so let me just watch him. By me track him link ko Facebook page for Paradise 90 FM. So all get away, all you stop watch, all you stop follow Facebook page, all you stop watch as well.
Yeah.
And set all the way Fiji, yeah?
Yes.
So thank you again for the song, eh? We played right now and we hear it. So you heard it here first on Paradise 98 FM. Thanks again, bigger man. So let's have a listen. Right about now, here it is.
Paradise 98 FM, simply the best.
This song is off the hook, number 1. Vanuatu. I want to eat this food right now. So the music is a little bit. This song is awesome. Big time.
Hit the speakers, man. Nothing but good vibes. Nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man.
Number 1, Boso. Love the vibe.
Yo, catch up next time.
Okay.
Vanuatu, Fiji, yeah.
Catch up.